Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical illnesses at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is a new opening, a new gift, a new door. A plant is growing that you may not be aware of. If you have 5 plants, that's 5 gifts, 5 talents, 5 jobs, inventions that you've been working on. You may be looking at the number 4, the 4th plant. Maybe that second or first plant is actually blossoming, budding, ready to be cultivated, ready to be grown. Not saying that you leave the rest of the plants to just by the wayside. No, you continue, keep them in mind, but focus on the opportunity that's given to you. Run through this door, take the opportunity and groom it. It's going to take you places and actually set you up for the platform for your other gifts to come into work. When one door closes, I'm confident another will open, and it will be for my betterment. I accept that life brings changes, it brings challenges. I acknowledge the opportunity, and I'm learning that they present to me the chance to be strong, because blessings come with their own weight, just like negative energy. But you continue to put in the work, you become stronger, therefore you can maintain more blessings, and you maintain them easier, so it feel like a feather, not a ball and chain, not a duty, but your service is something that you're happy to do, and you do it effortlessly. Serenity and peace comes from within. Work with what works with you. Whatever giving you opportunity, lean in on it. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.